Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 settings keep crashing. You just need to follow me. First of all, please click on search menu and type over there CMD and click on write run as administrator. After open CMD command prompt as administrator, we need to run as they are below four commands one after another. Like copy these and paste here and run. As the command need to wait complete for some times, so I close this and run another command. And enter. This command also need some times to complete. So you need to run below four commands one after another. After complete all of the commands, you need to restart your computer and I hope your problem will be solved. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos and thank you for watching.